Hello, Mavericks. This is Imri, and welcome to today's market recap. It is Fed Day, aka May 1st. Let's get right into it. So today, as always, we'll be doing a review of the trading day. We'll be going over Fed Day for sure, taking a look at the broader equity markets, some key commodities as well. We're then going to do some technical analysis on the major indices, examine the market internals, as well as a sector heat map of the S&P 500. And then we're going to close things off by taking a look at some potential trade setups and opportunities. Let's get started.
Disclaimer. This video was created for professional stock and option traders. Maverick Trading is a proprietary trading firm that employs professional traders around the world. Our traders trade firm capital and keep 70 to 80% of profits they generate. All trades and analysis in this video are for professional traders only. If you are interested in becoming a professional trader for Maverick, click the apply button in the video description. Let's break down what happened today.
Okay, so starting things off with some market analysis. All right, so Fed Day and equities did not fare all that well in the end, although things look promising at the beginning. The Dow, however, has managed to hold its head barely above water, as did small caps. Oil had a big down day today, and gold did pretty well to close out the day. But the major news is that the Fed is continuing to hold rates, citing a lack of progress on inflation. All right, so that's going to be, it's going to be very, very tough going from here on out. However, the one positive is that Jerome Powell did say it's unlikely the Fed's next move will be a rate hike. So take that how you will. But examining the day's movements, we saw a very large turnaround here in the major averages. So stocks reacted very bullishly initially, and then they had a large reversal to actually end out the day. Now, if we look at this price chart of the S&P 500, you can see that is one scary looking candle. We hit that 20-period moving average almost to the tick and reversed sharply, and it's a very similar story in the Qs over here. Now, if we examine a sector heat map of the S&P 500, it's interesting because comm services did well. Apple had a great day, Microsoft up, financials did well, Amazon did well, energy got beaten up, utilities did pretty well. So it's very interesting to me that we have this sector heat map here, but then there are some select names with large market caps that did not do all that well today, dragging the rest of the market down. But if we are looking at our outlook here, I still call this negative 2.5 territory personally, just because the 20-period moving average slope is down, but the 50-period slope is borderline neutral. So, I'd say tomorrow, if we have another down day in markets, we'll get a firm -3. Okay, moving on now to some potential trade setups and opportunities. So I've got a potential bullish setup here in Wells Fargo. So financials did do well, and you can see we just had this high base. We broke out of the high base, and now it kind of looks like we're trading in a bull pullback kind of formation. So the setup isn't ready yet. I'd like to see this bull pullback mature a little bit further. And if it does, then it could lead to a potential trade setup in Wells Fargo. The sideways pick is the same from the last time I spoke to you traders, and it is the global uranium ETF. We've basically gone nowhere, and we're trading almost exactly where we were the last time I put this on your radar. And then our bearish pick is also the same as last time, Estee Lauder companies. Finally, we got the large dump today, and I expect the downside to continue. Let's see if we can break to around $100 or so on this stock. So to close things off, market volatility is likely to continue. Tomorrow, we've got unemployment claims, and we have some big names for earnings reports tomorrow. ConocoPhillips is one I'll be watching, AMGN, LIN, and of course, Apple. All right, Mavericks, stay safe out there. This is a great trading environment, but make sure you're always sticking to your trading plan with discipline and consistency, and I'll see all of you soon. Bye for now.